Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. Today I will be doing something different. It's like a mini mukbang for my grandson because he wanted seafood, so I made him seafood. Guys, I'm making some sauteed shrimp and some crab legs. I'm only making a little because my husband ain't here. Where you get that? Oh, no. That goes in the trash. That goes in the trash, little boy. And a little salad, avocado ranch chopped kit. What kind of green cabbage? Carrot. Okay, well, this is gonna be the salad, you guys. And then he wanted a donut, but guess what? He's not getting a donut until he eats his dinner because he always wants juice. And then I give him the juice, and he'll eat his food. But he eat all the junk up. We flipping the script on you today, little boy.
I'm down here.
Okay. I'm over here. Let me turn this down, so. That should be turned off.
I said booster.
Oh, and eggs. I mean, eggs for it too. It's not even, oh shoot, it's not a seafood boil. It's just some crab legs, some shrimp. And I'm going to make a butter garlic sauce for the crab legs and this salad. I'll be back, you guys. I wasn't supposed to be vlogging this, but guess what? I'm vlogging it. Okay, you guys, everything is done. We got some shrimp, sauteed shrimp and minced garlic, seasoning, and I topped it with some green onions. We got little baby crab legs, boiled eggs, and a salad. And I made my garlic ginger butter sauce. I'm not gonna do a mukbang. I just wanted to show you guys what I made for dinner. Is that good, grandson? This boy know how to crack crab legs open and eat shrimp without eating the tail. He loves seafood. Oh, I gotta get his juice, huh? You want your juice now? Okay, eat a little bit more than I give you your juice.
I don't want that.
Huh?
I want
Why not?
because I don't want it.
You said you wanted 5 of them. I didn't give you 5 because I didn't want 5. It's okay.
Oh, shrimp.
Hmm?
Oh, shrimp.
You want shrimp? Okay.
Oh, guys, that.
Okay, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, you guys. And as usual, stay blessed. That boy cleaned his plate. No more shrimp. He didn't tore into these crab legs, ate the lemon, and he finally got his juice. I thank you guys so very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and watching my grandson eat. It wasn't supposed to be a mukbang, but he was smacking like it was. Okay, once again, thanks for watching.